Hey, what's up guys? Let's make Vietnamese beef noodle soup, pho.
Pho is always so delicious and comforting. Definitely brings back childhood vibes whenever I get a chance to have it. You're gonna need some beef brisket, beef bones, beef tendons, and beef ribs. Add this to a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Parboil for 10 to 15 minutes and then you're gonna strain it and clean it over cold water. This is gonna help get rid of any impurities. Rinse and clean well and add it back into a pot. Add water and bring it to a boil. Char your onions and ginger. Scrape off any extra char. We don't want that in the soup. Next, we're gonna toast our spice, cinnamon, star anise, fennels, codamom, cloves. You can put this in a tea bag or a cheesecloth. Add it into a pot along with your ginger and charred onions. Once this comes to a boil, bring the heat down to medium and just let it simmer. Let this cook for an hour or two, then remove the brisket and onion. Place it in the refrigerator. Next, add your rock sugar and fish sauce and let this simmer overnight on low heat. Remove all the bones and strain the broth. Remove your brisket from the refrigerator and cut them to thinly slices, as well as your other meats. Cut and chop your limes, yellow onion, green onion, and cilantro. Next, cook your banh pho noodles and assemble your bowl. Add in your choice of meat, veggies, and herbs. Ladle in your broth and you're done. Enjoy this with a side of sriracha and hoisin as a dipping sauce. So delicious with a side of pickled onions. Follow for more.